You can use any virtualization platform such as Oracle VirtualBox or VM Ware Player. While using virtual environments, the virtual machines should be on the same network to see each other. Now, we're going to use virtual machines in NAT mode. If you're using VirtualBox because of its architecture, you should create a NAT network. If you use a virtual machine in NAT mode without configuring any NAT network, a network is created for that virtual machine, and it doesn't see other virtual machines even if they are in NAT mode. Go to VirtualBox Preferences, select NAT Networks under Network segment, and create New NAT Network. Then, go to Virtual Machine Settings. On the Adapter 1 tab under Network segment, attach the virtual machine to NAT Network, and choose the NAT network you created. If you're using one of the VMware tools such as VMware Player, Fusion, or Workstation, using NAT mode for network interfaces will be enough for the virtual machines to see each other. Oh, and I should probably tell you that since there are a lot of vulnerabilities in it, do not use the virtual machines in bridge mode, which are intentionally vulnerable, such as Metasploitable or OWASP broken web applications. If you use them in bridge mode, they will be accessible in the network where your host machine is. Someone in that network might hack the vulnerable virtual machines and try to access the host machine, which means your computer. Now, if you would like to use virtual machines in host-only network mode, please just learn how the virtualization platform works in that mode first.